All right, so got a situation with this hanging insulation underneath. It has like a felt with a mesh, not a felt, but fabric with a mesh that holds it up there. It doesn't reach anymore. So I'm going to use landscaping fabric, which I'm going to use anyways along the bottom, and a piece of wood wrapped around it. I'm going to shoot it into the beam under there, pull it tight, and then nail another piece of wood to keep it tight there. See how this goes. I need 2 feet of fabric. That's what I've got. Let's go underneath and nail this to the beam. I'm debating if I should use screws, but the nail gun's here. The nail gun is here, and hope there's no critters under here that have a problem with me climbing in. Okay, there's the beam. Let's get these things fixed first. Oh boy. What the hell? I got nails. There we go. 2. That's in there. Duh. I'm gonna have a broken neck after this if I don't pay attention. Alright. Let's get another 4-foot piece of wood. Less than 4 feet, but still. I gotta do 2 of those. Let's make life easy and use screws. That's why I'm not using screws, because they are not, they're too long. I could use a screw to hold it in place at least. Let's do that. That's going to split it. Well, let's see. That might be just fine. Okay, let's pull this dude tight. Come here, you. staple gun. Get the staple gun to help out for a second. All right, yeah, pull this tight. The perks of being a carpet man, you always have a good staple gun. That's tight. Most people would say that's fine, but get that in there. This over here. Get my tip back. That's good. That's tight. This is how far I got to go for 4 feet. All right. What's next? I got to finish 8 feet of this so I can do the skirting. Got to finish 8 feet of this so I can do the skirting. Let's strap this. Let's strap this to where I want it to go. Where's my box from Wadler Brothers? It's got all my stuff in it. Where is my box from Wadler Brothers? Here's the new windows. Let's do this without ripping the screen. I don't know where my box is. Maybe it's all in the back. Maybe it's all in the back. This box is too small. Nope, that's it. Yep, these look nice. I'm gonna use these to hold the pipe in place. I'm gonna surround it with some these U-shape. I'm gonna use these for the rebar to to hold them in place, I'm going to nail rebar in there to keep these from flexing around. But that's pretty solid. And especially once I bury the skirting in the dirt. Okay, that's too small, but that's all right. I prefer it to be real tight. That's fine. Well, let's see. I can't put this in yet. Got to put a hole in the siding first. That would have been fun, cutting a hole in the siding for this. Okay. Put this idea on hold for a minute. Take one more panel of this off. Let's go to time lapse. Let's go to time lapse. Not time lapse, but hyperlapse. Let's go to hyperlapse. Where's a good vantage for the camera?